a chilly early December day. There's nothing like patate fave, potatoes and fava bean soup at Peppa's. And Peppa's also serving us cooked greens. These are a bit of cabbage greens from her garden with potatoes. Con patate?
No.
No, just the greens of the cabbage greens sauteed in garlic and olive oil. So nothing like this simple country lunch. Vino rosso,
Ci si mettono le patate, ma
potatoes, and fave. She says sometimes she does make cabbage greens with potatoes, but not today. Peppa, grazie. Sei sempre grande.
sì, mamma mia. Proprio, guarda.
He said, you're always the greatest. She said, not really, but she is. Come sometime and visit and you'll see that there's nothing like a country lunch with Peppa. Grazie, Peppa.
Prego.
Buon appetito.
Buon appetito.
And everything was warmed up on her wood stove. There she is heading over to the wood stove to stir up the greens. And lunch at Peppa's is not just soup and the cabbage greens. It's the wonderful torta that she's warmed up in the fireplace, the Umbrian hearth bread. She's even making us bruschetta on the top of her wood stove. She'll flip it over, toast it, and rub it with garlic and olive oil. The perfect side dish to pasta, to the fave beans with potatoes. I meant to say, pardon me, the perfect side dish to fave beans with potatoes. Peppa, thank you for torta warmed up in the oven, the Umbrian hearth bread, bruschetta being toasted on the wood stove that'll be rubbed with garlic and olive oil, the greens, and a rural lunch, which is a feast. Grazie, Peppa.